What up, YouTube? I'm at Lake Alpine, 2015, August 1st. It's a fucking weekend. Just took the kayaks back, reloaded them, and the hail is so strong it fucking cracked my windshield in 3 separate fucking spots. I don't know if you hear this shit. I'm stuck in my fucking car. You hear that? I'm yelling. I mean, look at the fucking street. I don't know if you guys can... Yeah, you see that shit out there? Yeah, that's hail, bruh. They're like mothball sizes and shit. And I'm stuck in my fucking car, dude. Like, what the fuck? That shit hurt. That's why I came in my car, but it won't stop. And the hail is getting fucking bigger, dude. Like, look at this. They're almost quarter-size fucking hail drops. It's not like they're the biggest, but when there's hella and they're not gonna stop, this is some shit, dude. I'm fucking stuck. My windshield's broke. I still love nature and I love Lake Alpine. I have my kayaks on top of my roof, and yes, they are right side up, so they're collecting hella hell. Yep, hella hell. Any motherfucking way. Fuck, I'm stuck. We'll just like chill to the sound of hail. Damn, man. That shit's gonna break. What the fuck? I hope it dies down soon. Fuck, it's been like this for 10 minutes straight, dude. Look at the road. Like, that's the road, dude. It's fucking like almost all white. Damn, man. It's breaking my windshield. What the fuck? You hear that shit, dude? Let me macro it. Sounds like it's dying down now, but it's so loud in the car. But what the fuck? There it goes. You just see hail exploding on the windshield. I don't like that sound, dude. This is ridiculous. The windows not so much, but the windshield off the hood. Yeah. Alright. Sounds like it's died down. I'm gonna go back outside. I might go on a motherfucking hike and smoke a fat ass bowl. I deserve it. I'm about to drink a beer 3. Shot of 2 with JMO. Because this hail is cold and I need to warm up. Alright, folks. We're all witnessing this together, and it finally seems like everything died down. And you know, I can probably leave my car now, I think. I'm going to. Oh shit, hell no, you hear that? I just kicked back up. Look at all the fucking hail on the ground, dude. Fuck that. It ain't done. Now it's raining. Fuck. Whoa, there's a big sized piece of hail that just hit my car. Big size lighter, dude. This is crazy. I wish I brought a jacket. It's fucking August, the hottest month in the fucking year. Oh man. Oh well. I'm gonna go to the fucking bathroom. I'm gonna switch to my GoPro, folks. Please check out my other video. That way we have the water. You can check out the waterproof fucking, you know, shot. This is a HD pocket cam, just regular, you know, just a toy. I'm gonna do my GoPro, and I'm gonna take a trip to the bathroom. All right, folks, please comment, like, subscribe. Just random ass videos on my page. I hope you like this one. This is California. NorCal. That's how we do. Just went fishing and shit. Queued it up. Alright, folks.